Hello, my friends. This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for June 23rd, 2022. It's currently June 1st, 2022, 9:38 p.m. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Much appreciate the support. We're looking to grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers by July. That's my goal. That and to help you guys make some money and blow your minds. So here we go. This is the 23rd of June. There's an important trough or prominent decline to a trough that is the overall theme here. There's a notable move to meet the high, a notable move higher to meet the high, and to meet the low we have the behavior around the low is going to be a failed attempt to break through resistance that we expect to break through, and then we turn around and we decline through a support level to meet the low here. The overall theme card for when we look at the overview for the 23rd, there's a day trade in here. There's sideways fluctuation with a bullish trend. There's two trade opportunities around a move higher through a resistance level and then back down through it, and then something involving a decision or an agreement between two leaders. There's also a sideways. We should see overall a sideways S kind of formation going on here. So we have a move here, a gap down, and a move here in the post-market moving higher. I'm not so sure about that gap down actually, but we have a move higher here in the pre-market. Possibly from being over. Yeah, I think there's a gap down, and we have it's from being oversold that we move higher. A low correlator early in the morning, and a trough a correlator to the theme card, the death card here early in the morning. So day's low here early in the morning, it looks like, and an opportunity to open up a long position. We have decline here early in the morning as well. So there's a move higher out of the open to meet resistance, and then we fall with like consecutively lower spikes up to meet moving averages on the way down here. We meet support, an important support level between roughly 10 and 11, and then we have a rally takeoff. There's a fast sudden move higher that takes place between roughly let's say 11 and 12-ish. That fast sudden move higher, we meet a high here around, let's say, likely around like 1 o'clock-ish, and then we fall from through a support to meet second support, and then we move sideways along that support. Looks like that takes place around like the 12 to 2-ish o'clock hour, and then after that move sideways along support, we actually fall further, and we come up against support that is very important support where we're still rotating. So we go from like a big move higher to midday to a midday high, and then we turn around and we fall through into another support, bounce along sideways along that support, and then roughly around like 2-ish we fall again. And meet another support, and then from that support, there's a fast sudden move higher, marking the end of a period of rotation along that support, and then from that fast sudden move higher, we break down through diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down as we move into the close. At the close, there's another fast sudden move higher, marking the end of a period of decline, and in the post market, we revisit a important support level that was a past opportunity. So that bullish trade, I think what we have here, it's like right here early in the morning, we have a bullish, like a move higher. So at the opening up a long position, we have a move higher, followed by a drop. So like there's opportunity around, let's say, between like 10 and 11 to sell that long position. There is a bit of a drop there, but that's after there's a move higher. So it's like there's a move higher. Not, I'm saying that because it correlates to the prior day's lust card. It's a tricky day because of the sideways S, right? So down, up. Oh, interesting. All right, well that's pretty much the 23rd, June 23rd, and the sneak preview card for the following day is a high that's not going to be revisited for a notable amount of time. And that goes hand in hand when we look at the 1 month overview. We have a month's correlator there and a decline out of a month's correlator. So we'll get into that on the next one. Hit that like button if you haven't done so already, guys. Much appreciate the support. Thank you so much for watching. And when you make that money, pay it forward, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.